Little boy, what you doing? Hi, hi. Are you feeling better? You had dinner. I can see dinner on that face. Yes, you ate part of it. You did. I see jaws. I see jaws. There's a big paw coming at me. Arr. Give me with a paw. Give me with a paw. See the big paw come out? Big paw. There's a puppy. There's a puppy. Every time I move my shoes, he moves his head over till he's on top of my shoes again. Where are you? Oh, where are you? Where's the puppy? Oh, what a good boy. Are you insisting that... See, because the shadows are moving, are you insisting that there's bugs over there again? Huh? I see an ear. I see another ear. Oh, look at the cute little nose. Look at the teethies. It's like, go away, Mom. I got a happy puppy. He's all healthy again. Oh, what did you... You got all kinds of seeds in your legs again. Ugh. I gotta brush that all out. Not that you care. Look at the big paw. See the big paw? There's a big paw. What do you see? What do you see? Mr. Curly Butt after his bath today. He's a curly butt. He's a curly butt. Yes, he is. He is. He is. Look at those pretty teeth. Look at those pretty white teethies. Look at those teethies. Oh. You gonna show me all your teeth? Yes. You're all back to normal. My beauteous boy. I love that you're all healthy. Oh, here comes the mischief. See, he's whapping at me till I play with him. As soon as I stop, he starts doing other things. See, this is why I end up playing with him, because otherwise he's mischief. Like pulling the towel off from his recliner. There you go. Oh, now you're gonna be all sleepy. Oh, you like your ears rubbed. Yes, you do. You like your ears rubbed. Okay. You got my hand. You got my hand all trapped underneath the paw. Has to have a paw on my foot, at least.